Hello everyone, welcome back to a day in my life video.
So first things first, we'll start with a glass of water. So for breakfast, we'll be having tuna sandwich. So I'd like to cut the edges of the bread and apply mayonnaise on both sides. And for the filling, we'll be having the tuna. And then apply a little bit of butter ghee on top, and then it goes in the grill. Now it's done nice and crispy, and it's ready to be served with a hot cup of tea. Now it's almost lunchtime and we'll be having chapatis. So it's basically heat and eat. So all you have to do is just heat the pan, turn it around until it bubbles up, and it's done. Chapati is ready to be served with mushroom curry. So we go out in the evening for a little shopping in a nearby mall. It was time for dinner and we had Arabic plate shawarma and grilled chicken. My husband had already booked ticket for this movie. I'm not a Tamil movie fan actually. This was the first time watching a Tamil movie in a theater. The movie was fine but it was a bit lengthy. So it's almost 1:30 a.m. and we're heading back home. But I'm a bit hungry so we stopped by this place. It has the best lotus milkshake and I always come back here for this. So with this, I'm winding up my day and I hope you had a beautiful day too. See you in my next video. Thank you.